What if I told you that a single sentence, just one, could make her heart race and leave your memory stuck in her mind for years? Sniff. Would you still keep using empty compliments like, "You look pretty," or "nice dress"? Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive into this topic, let me ask you for a quick favor. If these videos help you better understand the way women think, I'd really appreciate it if you showed some support with a like or a subscription. It only takes a couple of seconds, and it helps more men discover this kind of content. And also, Sniff, I've got a question for you. Which city are you watching this video from? I genuinely enjoy reading the comments and seeing where everyone is from. It helps build a stronger community here. Most men have no idea how powerful their words can actually be. They wrongly assume attraction is only about looks, money, or status. But the truth goes much deeper than that. What truly changes everything is the way you make her feel. And here's the important part. One of the most underrated tools you have is a well-delivered compliment. Think about it for a second. Have you ever noticed how a woman's entire mood can shift because of something someone said to her? One sentence, said at the right moment with the right intention, can completely change the way she sees you, not just temporarily, but for a long time. Today, you're going to discover 8 compliments that go far beyond surface-level attraction. These are not cheesy pickup lines or forced praise that make you seem desperate. These are compliments with psychological depth, words capable of triggering something deeper in her mind, making her feel understood, respected, and emotionally drawn to you on another level. And here's the raw truth. If you walk around throwing generic compliments everywhere like candy, "You're cute," "nice outfit," "you look amazing," you quickly become just another forgettable guy. But when you understand the power of self-control, intention, and carefully chosen words, you realize something important. The real power is not only in what you say, but in the feeling you create inside her. So, if you want to level up, stand out from other men, and leave a lasting impression, keep listening. Compliment number 1. That perfume you wear smells incredible. It's honestly addictive. Scent is one of the strongest emotional and memory triggers in the human mind. A smell can instantly take someone back to a specific moment in their life within seconds. That happens because scent is directly connected to the limbic system, the part of the brain responsible for emotions and memories. When you compliment her fragrance, you're not simply saying, "You smell nice." You're really saying, "Your presence stays with me even after you leave." And that creates a powerful emotional impact. Most men never even notice details like this, but the man who does shows awareness, attention, and presence. Compliment number 2. Your smile has this way of lighting up every room around you. This isn't just about her lips or teeth. It's about the energy she brings into a space. You're recognizing the emotional effect she has on the people around her. It's not a shallow compliment. It's your way of saying, "Your presence changes the atmosphere." Compliment number 3. I really admire how genuine you are. You never try to be someone else. In a world full of people pretending to fit in, authenticity becomes extremely attractive. This compliment doesn't focus on appearance. It focuses on who she truly is inside. You're telling her, "I see the real you, and that's what I value most." Compliment number 4. I like the way you see the world. Your perspective is different, and it actually makes me think. Here, you stop focusing on physical attraction and start connecting with her mind. You acknowledge her thoughts, her depth, and her way of understanding life. That instantly makes the interaction feel more meaningful. Compliment number 5. Your energy is amazing. Being around you makes me want to become better. This is one of the highest forms of appreciation. You're not only saying you enjoy her company, you're saying she inspires growth in you. That tells her her presence has a real emotional effect on your life. Compliment number 6. You're incredibly thoughtful. It's obvious you genuinely care about people. Here, you're appreciating her character, the way she treats others, and the kindness in her personality. It's not a common compliment, which is exactly why it feels so powerful and memorable. Compliment number 7. I admire how focused and driven you are. Your determination is inspiring. This recognizes her discipline, ambition, and commitment. It speaks directly to something deeply connected to her identity and self-respect. Compliment number 8. You have this special ability to make people feel comfortable and appreciated. Here, you're highlighting her emotional intelligence and her ability to connect with others. Sniff. You're telling her that her presence positively affects the people around her, and that leaves a strong impression. And there you have it. 8 compliments that go far beyond surface-level attraction. These are not just words. They are tools that create emotional connection, respect, and genuine attraction. Because at the end of the day, a woman might forget the exact words you said, but she will never forget the way you made her feel. If this video gave you value, don't stop here. Keep learning, keep improving, because the goal is not to become just another man. The goal is to become unforgettable, one carefully chosen word at a time. Yeah,